Okay, so here is your homework. Alright, so reorder the words and use them to create sentences. So you see the 6 words here in the correct order. ចឹងពាក្យនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងគឺអត់មានត្រូវទេមានថាគឺបញ្ជាក់បដោយគ្នាទាំងអស់គ្រប់អក្សរអញ្ចឹងយើងរៀបពាក្យនឹងឲ្យត្រូវ reorder. Okay, reorder រៀបប្រយោគពាក្យនឹងឲ្យត្រូវ and then create the sentence using this word. បន្ទាប់មកយើងបង្កើតប្រយោគដោយប្រើឧទាហរណ៍ហ្នឹងsorry ដោយប្រើពាក្យទាំងអស់ហ្នឹង Alright, so any problem with creating a sentence you can direct ask me or check the example again. So thank you. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Good evening everyone. So welcome back to today's class. And with today we will continue our unit 9 which talking about Thailand. But lesson 2, right? ចឹងឥឡូវយើងនៅតែបន្ត unit 9 របស់យើងនៅក្នុង lesson 2 about grammar. So the grammar point today we have already learned about it, but today we just got a review. Okay, យើងបានរំលឹកឡើងវិញហើយក្នុងលក្ខណៈថ្មីមួយផ្សេងទៀត Okay, so now before we going to start our lesson today, let's review about vocabulary that we learned yesterday. Alright, so yesterday we have learned 6 words, right? ចឹងម្សិលមិញយើងបានរៀនបាន6ពាក្យ Okay, about transportation និយាយពីមធ្យោបាយធ្វើដំណើរ Alright, so you see here this picture. So I want you to do is to write down each word. Okay, ចឹងយើងទៅសេពាក្យនីមួយៗតាមរូបនឹងមកដោយបងលេខ1លេខ2លេខ3ហ្នឹងទៅ Okay, so pause the video, stop video ហ្នឹងសិនហើយទៅសេពាក្យហ្នឹងមក and then send it to me. Okay. Alright, so don't forget write this word to say pick mouth high. Alright, so now let's begin today's lesson. So here we are, lesson 2 about grammar. So grammar here we're talking about negative form of present simple. ទម្រង់បដិសេធនៃ present simple. We have already learned about positive form. Okay, ចឹងយើងធ្លាប់បានរៀនពី positive form ហើយពីទម្រង់ស្របចឹងថ្ងៃនេះយើងមករៀនពីទម្រង់បដិសេធ Okay, so now before that let's listen to the audio first.
Unit 9, Lesson 2, Activity 1, page 87. Listen, read, and say.
I don't go to school by motorcycle. I go by bus.
He doesn't go to school by bus. He goes by train. She doesn't go to school by train. She goes by boat.
Alright, so you see here in this picture and you have also listened to the audio. So now I want you to listen again about the sentence in this type.
Unit 9, Lesson 2, Activity 1, page 87. Listen, read, and say.
I don't go to school by motorcycle. I go by bus.
He doesn't go to school by bus. He goes by train. She doesn't go to school by train. She goes by boat.
Alright, so you have listened to the audio. យើងបានស្ដាប់ហើយ and then now listen to me and then I will explain to which point. Okay, I don't go to school by motorcycle. I go by bus. He doesn't go to school by bus. He goes to school by train. She doesn't go to school by train. She goes by boat. Alright, so you see here in this picture គឺនិយាយអំពីមធ្យោបាយធ្វើដំណើរទៅសាលារបស់មនុស្ស3នាក់ដែលគាត់ធ្វើដំណើរផ្សេងគ្នា But the point is ចំណុចអ្វីដែលត្រូវផ្ដោតលើគឺ the negative form of present simple. So every day the first one, he doesn't go to school by motorcycle. He had to take the bus. Okay, អញ្ចឹងគាត់ទៅសាលាដោយជិះឡានក្រុងអញ្ចឹងគាត់ប្រើ present present simple with the negative form to tell us that ចឹងខ្ញុំមិនទៅសាលាដោយម៉ូតូទេដូចជិះម៉ូតូទេទៅជិះឡានក្រុង ចឹងគេប្រើ I don't negative form. He doesn't go to school by bus. Okay, you see here, he doesn't go to school by bus. He goes by train. So negative form and then the positive form. ចឹងមានគេដាក់គេប្រាប់យើងថាគាត់អត់ទៅដោយជិះឡានក្រុងទេគាត់ទៅដោយជិះរថភ្លើងប៉ុន្តែអ្វីយើងទៅមើលគឺ present simple with negative form ដូចនៅក្នុងនៅលើមេរៀនដូចយើងបានឃើញអញ្ចឹងគឺមាន I don't go to school by train and she doesn't go to school by he or she doesn't go to school by boat. Sorry អញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញហើយអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីឲ្យនេះយើងចូលទៅមើលនៅក្នុង form of present simple negative. Alright, so you see here, you see the first one I gave you the positive two sentence. They walk to school, she goes to supermarket. យើងឃើញនេះជាប្រយោគស្របអត់មាន does អត់មាន do ហើយក៏អត់មាន not ដែរ But then we have form here is the negative form. អញ្ចឹងវាជាទម្រង់បដិសេធអញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញហើយ don't and doesn't. So we have subject, we have does or don't or doesn't and verb, and then object or the phrase after that. Okay, អញ្ចឹងវាមានជាកម្មបទឬក៏ complement ឬក៏នាមបញ្ជាក់អត្ថន័យផ្សេងទៀតនៅខាងក្រោយហ្នឹងដូចក្នុងប្រយោគនេះអញ្ចឹង Okay, so here we have subject he, subject they plus doesn't or don't plus verb and then object or complement ហើយបន្ទាប់មកបូកជាមួយនឹង subject or complement ផ្សេងទៀត Alright, so if you don't understand text me or comment. If you watch on YouTube, comment on the comment below. Okay, អញ្ចឹងបើយើងមានសំណួរឆ្ងល់អាច comment នៅក្នុង YouTube ពីខាងក្រោមទៅបើយើងមើលលើ YouTube ហើយបើមើលលើ Telegram អាចសួរ chat សួរភ្លាមៗបាន Alright, so again, so you see here the negative form they ជា subject បូកជាមួយនឹង don't or plus មួយ go ជា verb and then complement ឬក៏ object ជា clear បញ្ជាក់អត្ថន័យបញ្ជាក់ន័យបន្ថែម Okay, second sentence he plus doesn't plus go plus complement នាមclear បញ្ជាក់ន័យ Okay, អញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញហើយមានដូចជា form ដែលយើងមានអញ្ចឹង subject plus doesn't or don't plus verb. So what I want to mention here អ្វីដែលចង់បញ្ជាក់ក្នុងពេលនេះគឺយើងអត់មាន type es ឬក៏ s ទេនៅក្នុង clear បដិសេធ Alright, so now let's move on to the practice point. So here I want you to pause the video, stop video and then do this exercise. Complete the sentence below មានថាយើងពេញប្រយោគហ្នឹងដោយប្រើទម្រង់ដែលយើងបានរៀនមិញហ្នឹង Okay, so these two, if this one is negative, this one is must be positive one. Okay, អញ្ចឹងបើសិនខាងលើនេះជា negative ខាងក្រោមនេះជា positive អញ្ចឹងបើយើងពេញ don នៅខាងលើខាងក្រោមនេះគឺមិនបាច់ដាក់ don ឬក៏ doesn't ទេ Okay, យើងពេញជាប្រយោគធម្មតាប្រយោគស្រប Alright, so pause the video and do this exercise. យើង stop video ហើយយើងធ្វើលំហាត់មួយនេះ So assume that you have already done this exercise. អញ្ចឹង complete ផ្ញើវាឲ្យ teacher and then here is your homework. Change these sentences below to the negative sentence. អញ្ចឹងបដូរប្រយោគខាងក្រោមទៅជា negative ទៅជាទម្រង់បដិសេធ អញ្ចឹងយើងមាន6 sentence ដូចយើងឃើញអញ្ចឹង Okay, change it to negative one. បដូរវាទៅជា negative. So alright, so that's it for today's lesson. Any question you can comment in below and chat to me on Telegram. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.